We will look at the pair of parametric equations x equals t minus 3 and y equals 2t minus 2. X is a function of t and it is a linear function, the slope of which is the coefficient of t, which is 1. Likewise, y is a linear function of t and the slope of which is 2. That means the y value will increase faster than the x values on the curve of the parametric equations. We will draw some friendly points. We consider t between 0 and 5, including the endpoints. So we will make one column as a column of t values, another column corresponding x values, and corresponding y values. When t equals 0, x equals -3 and y equals -2, we draw the corresponding point on the Cartesian plane. When t equals 1, x equals 1 minus 3 equals -2 and y equals 2 times 1 minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, and it is 0. When t equals 2, x equals 2 minus 3, which is -1, and y equals 2 times 2 minus 2, which is 4 minus 2, which is 2. When t equals 3, x equals 3 minus 3, which is 0, and y equals 2 times 3 minus 2, which is 4. We draw the corresponding point on the Cartesian plane for this curve and draw the direction that is going. We use a little arrow there. When t equals 4, x equals 4 minus 3 equals 1, and y equals 2 times 4 minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, which is 6. When t equals 5, x equals 5 minus 3, which is 2, and y equals 2 times 5 minus 2, which is 8. We completed the sketch of this pair of parametric equations. The result is a straight line segment going towards the top right corner as t increases. And it doesn't make sense because x is a linear function of t and the slope is 1. That means when t increases, x increases correspondingly. Likewise, y is a linear function of t. As t increases, y increases a bit faster because the slope of which is 2. We will eliminate the parameter t to take a look at an equation just with the x and y variables. We do so by using the x equals t minus 3 equation. We add 3 to both sides to get x plus 3 equals t. We substitute into the equation of y. We get y equals 2 times x plus 3 minus 2. Simplify by distributing the 2. We have y equals 2x plus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then we have y equals 2x plus 4. If we want to, we can limit the domain of which to between -3 and 2, including the endpoints. However, the pair parametric equations still give us more information because it tells us where the point is moving towards. We get the arrows in the sketch, while y equals 2x plus 4 is a linear equation. It doesn't tell us where the point is moving.